Hello viewers, you are welcome. Let's solve this beautiful exponential equation. 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power x equals 28. What's the value of x? So here we can see 7 to x plus 7 to the power x. So we can factorize it out because it's common. We're going to have 1 plus 1 then equals 28. So now from there, we can say that we have 7 to the power x. 1 plus 1 will give us 2, therefore multiply by 2 equals 28. Okay, so now from there, so we can see that we can divide both sides by 2 here. Okay, this will cancel this. We have 7 to the power x equals 28 divided by 2 is going to give us 14. So now from here, the next thing we are going to do, we have 7 to the power x equals, now 14 here, we can split this 14 here to be 2 multiplied by 7, or I said 7 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 2. So now here I'm going to introduce logarithm because I want this x to come back from this. When you have log b base a, okay, and we have c like this, so this will be c log 1 log b is a. So we are going to do the same thing here. I'm going to introduce logarithm, okay, to the both sides of this equation. We're going to have log 7 multiplied by 2. And you know also from here, if you have log a multiplied by b, this will be log a minus log b. Are you getting now? So we are going to use that here also. We have log 7x equals log 7 multiplication we turn to, no, sorry, this one will be plus, so we have plus log what? Log 2. So now from there, so we're going to have this to be x will come down, we have x log 7 equals log 7 plus log 2. So now here, what is the next thing we are going to do? We divide both sides by log 7, divide both sides by log what? Log 7. So this, we cancel this, we have x equals, now we can split this having log 7 all over log 7 because they are sharing common denominator, log 2 over log what? Log 7. Now we have x equals log 7 divided by, this is what we have there, over log 7, okay, plus log 2 over log 7. So this, we cancel this, we have x to be 1 plus log 2, okay, and we can have this to be 7. You understand? Because we can write this like this, okay, we have the solution. So the solution is x, okay, equals 1 plus log base 7 2. Now we can check, okay, checking, we have what? We have the question 7x plus 7 to the power of x equals 28. So now here you can see from here we have what? We have this the same, it can be 2, okay, multiplied by 7 to the power of x, will it give us 28? So I'm going to put the value of x we got back to this. We have 2.7. The x is 1 plus log base 7 2 is still going to give us 28. So now here we can see that we can split this as 7 because they are having the same basis. 7 to the power of 1 multiplied by 7 to the power of log base 7 2, then is it going to give us 28? Now from here we're going to have 2.7 dot. Now here, whenever you see a base raised to something like this, if you have, we have something like a to the power of log a to the power of b, so you can see the bases are the same. It means this and this will be cancelled. We're going to have what? We're going to have b. So now when you look at this one here, this 7 and this 7, this will be cancelled. We're going to be having 2. We have 2 like this, okay. So now from there, what are you going to do? you're going to have equals 28. So 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 2, we're going to have 28 equals 28. Okay, so we have the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.